In this video, I will tell you how you can create any new Gmail ID if you do not have. So for that, simply you will go to Gmail app in your phone, and once you click on your Gmail app, you will go to the side corner, you'll click on your profile, and below you can see option of add another account, and I'll click on Google here. Now what you have to do is, it is taking little time, so here we will click on create account option. For my personal use, I will click here. Now you can write your name here and surname, whatever you want you can mention. Then you can click on next. Here you will have to mention your date of birth and select your gender. Now click on next, and here it is suggesting you any of the Gmail ID, whichever you want you can select, or you can go to create own Gmail account. So here whatever Gmail account you can just write it down, whichever you want you can click. So you will have to check if this is available or not. So you can see that this email ID is not available, so I will have to check by writing another name. So this is how you can select any of the name, or you can select any of the Gmail ID, whichever it is suggesting on the top, and you will have to click on next. After then it will ask you to set the password. So already I have Gmail ID, that is why I am not creating. But once you click it here, like say, then this will ask you to set a password. You can see on the top it is showing create a strong password. So you will set the password, and you will, once you click on next, your Gmail ID will create it. So this is how you can create your Gmail ID, and you can see that how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, give thumbs up, do subscribe to this channel. I'm making the videos on basic technical skill that you all should know, so do subscribe. Till then, take care, have a great time.